Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, or rather, don't buckle up, because today we're talking about a camper so compact it might just fit in your glove box. Okay, that's a stretch, but meet the Discover 3D, a teardrop-style camper that's 3D printed and about as sleek as campers get. Created by the geniuses at Lemki Robotix and iScale 3D, this isn't just any trailer, it's a marvel of lightweight engineering that weighs about as much as my ego after parallel parking in one go. Now, let's get this out of the way. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss our latest scoops on electric rides, futuristic gear, and yes, the occasional camper that doubles as a high-tech Lego piece. You'll find the link to all the official specs in the description below. So back to the Discover 3D. This camper measures 3.2 meters, 10.5 feet, long, 1.8 meters, 5.10 feet, tall, and 1.8 meters wide. Compact, right? That's about the same space I take up trying to watch TV on a Sunday with 2 kids and a dog piled on top of me. And here's the kicker, it weighs only 400 kilograms, 880 pounds. That's light enough to be towed by a small car, which is a huge plus for those of us who don't want to see half our paycheck evaporate at the gas station every time we go camping. And inside? Well, they say it sleeps 3. Now, I've got to be honest with you, it's more like 2 adults and 1 kid if you're looking to keep your sanity. But in all seriousness, there's actually some well thought out shelving and storage space for basic gear, so if you're more of a minimalist camper, this setup is right on the money. What's a camper without a little place to cook? The Discover 3D gives us a cozy tailgate galley, translation, a simple kitchen at the back with a 2-burner propane stove and a small sink. Nothing too fancy, but it's perfect for whipping up a pot of coffee or a quick breakfast before hitting the trails. And for those of you planning on going off-grid, they offer a nifty option, a solar panel and battery kit for the roof. Now, let's talk tech. This camper shell isn't just slapped together with bolts and plywood, it's a cutting-edge creation made through FGF technology, which stands for fused granulate fabrication. Basically, they melt down thermoplastic pellets and extrude them layer by layer to build up the structure. And here's a cool detail for you eco-warriors, the polypropylene material used in this camper comes from about 7,400 recycled plastic bottles. That's right, this camper might be the most high-tech recycling bin you'll ever sleep in. To give it that extra oomph of durability, it's reinforced with fiberglass, so it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle a good adventure. The best part? You don't even have to buy this thing to try it out. If commitment's not your style, you can rent it for about €60, $65 a day and see how it fits your lifestyle. But if you're ready to make it yours, it'll set you back somewhere between €12,000 and €18,000. That's about $12,940 to $19,410 depending on the features you pick. Not bad for a family adventure that doesn't involve piling everyone into your sedan like it's the 90s. For all you die-hard campers out there, be sure to check the video description for a link to the official website, and keep an eye out for updates on availability.